Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Welcome back to our grammar series. In part 1, we studied nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. In part 2, we covered prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, and pronouns. Today, in part 3, we will finish by looking at articles, determiners, and 2 important agreement rules that make sentences sound correct and professional. Articles. Articles are small but powerful words that come before nouns. There are 2 types, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the. It refers to a specific noun. For example, the sun is bright. The sun is one specific object. So, the is the definite article. The indefinite articles are a and an. They refer to non-specific items. For example, she saw a dog in the park. The dog could be any dog. So, this is an indefinite article. Use an before vowel sounds. For example, he ate an apple. Articles signal whether we are speaking about something general or something specific. When speaking about something in general, we use indefinite articles. When speaking about something specific, we use the definite article. Determiners. Determiners are words placed before nouns to clarify which one, how many, or whose. Articles are actually one kind of determiner, but there are others too. For example, demonstrative determiners. This, that, these, those. This book is mine. Those shoes are new. Qualifiers. Some, many, few, all, each. Here are some examples. There are many stars in the sky. He read some of the story. Possessive determiners. My, your, his, her, our, their. My car is red. Their house is large. Determiners give precise information about a noun so that the listener or reader understands exactly what is being referred to. Pronoun antecedent agreement. Pronoun antecedent agreement means that pronouns must match the nouns or antecedents they replace in both number and gender. Let's look at an example. The girl finished her homework. Girl is singular and feminine, so the pronoun is her. The students handed in their papers. Students is plural, so the pronoun is their. Making sure pronouns and their antecedents agree keeps sentences clear and grammatically sound. Subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement means that the verb must match the subject in number and person. Singular subjects take singular verbs. For example, the cat runs fast. She likes pizza. Plural subjects take plural verbs. For example, the cats run fast. They like pizza. Watch how the verb changes form depending on the subject. Singular. He is happy. Plural. They are happy. Singular. She was reading. Plural. They were reading. Subject-verb agreement makes writing sound polished and professional. Without it, sentences feel awkward or confusing. Let's put everything together in one example. The student said that her teacher gave her these books and she was grateful. In this sentence, the is the article. Her is a pronoun matching its antecedent, student. These is a determiner showing which books. And was is a verb that matches the singular subject, she. This completes our 3-part grammar series. We have now reviewed all the essential parts of speech and 2 important agreement rules. Continue practicing by writing your own sentences and checking for correct use of articles, determiners, pronouns, and verbs. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.